Ori Pocket Closet is a piece of furniture designed by Already Living, a company that specializes in developing transforming furniture. The company's specialists showed off this new design in November of last year, and it is meant to allow people to create a dressing room in almost any standard bedroom. In its folded state, the Ori Pocket Closet does not take up much space, but it can be expanded to reveal shelves on the sides. One of the shelves is large enough to hold a painting or a TV set, while the other can be unfolded to create a compact but functional space for storing clothes and other items. Overall, the Ori Pocket Closet is designed to be a convenient and efficient way to create a dressing room in a small bedroom. The Ori Pocket Closet can be operated using a mobile application or a smart speaker, allowing you to easily access and organize your clothes and shoes. The design of the Pocket Closet includes shelves and cabinets for storing items, and it can be easily expanded by pressing a button. In addition to serving as a dressing room, the Pocket Closet can also be used as a mini library or a storage room for documents in the office. Its versatility and convenient design make it a useful and efficient piece of furniture for people who need to make the most of their space. The Kali Duo sofa is a piece of furniture from Resource Furniture that can transform from a standard two-seater sofa into a bunk bed. When not in use as a bunk bed, it looks like any other sofa. The construction of the Kali Duo sofa includes soft edges to protect the person sleeping on it. It also has a shelf on the top part of the structure. When the bunk bed is not in use, it can be folded up to look like a part of the wall. Smart Living is a piece of furniture from Otsio Design that has a design similar to the other pieces of furniture, but it has some additional features that make it more functional and convenient. One of these features is the ability to move the panel with a TV, revealing hooks with folding chairs and a folding table that can be used for entertaining guests or having a family dinner. The Smart Living furniture is designed for homes that have enough space for a separate bedroom, but not enough for a full dining room. And it allows the owner to use the extra space in a different way. The lower part of the construction includes a hidden folding table, and the shelves can be used for storing items that don't fit anywhere else. Overall, Smart Living allows the owner to transform the room into a space for entertaining guests or having a family dinner in a matter of seconds. Modern designers offer a wide variety of ways to furnish your living space, with an emphasis on designs that are both attractive and use the space effectively. One such design is the Living Cube, which features drawers, shelves, and a ladder on the side. The end of the cube has a door that leads to a small room that can be used for storage or, according to the manufacturer, potentially converted into a dressing room or a bathroom. The upper surface of the structure can be used as a lounge area or a place to sleep. The Living Cube allows you to store items such as books, music, records, and even clothes, and also provides a unique and functional way to use your living space. The Smart Kitchen, created by the Italian company Filagrano, is designed to be comfortable and functional, as it is the place where people spend most of their time at home. The kitchen features a number of advantages and features that make it more convenient to use. For example, it has drawers that can be opened using a remote control, and the corners of the space, which are often difficult to use efficiently, are fully exploited. The outer panels of the kitchen can be removed for easy cleaning, and the refrigerator drawers are located under the worktop to make it easier to take food out and put it away. Overall, the Smart Kitchen is designed to be a highly functional and convenient space for people to spend time in. The Smart Kitchen is designed with modern and technologically advanced features, including wireless charging stations and drawers with integrated separators. The separators in the drawers make it easy to organize kitchen appliances, and the overall design of the kitchen is modern and advanced. The kitchen is designed to be convenient and functional, with features that make it easy to use and keep organized. Parasol SpaceUp is a bed that offers additional storage space. It features shelves on the sides and has a hinged mechanism that allows the mattress to tilt back, revealing 2.3 cubic meters of space underneath. This space is equipped with drawers and can even hold larger items like suitcases and sports equipment. When the bed is open, there is enough space inside for a person to enter, making the Parasol SpaceUp a combination of 3 pieces of furniture. a bed, a nightstand, and a closet. Spaceman, a company based in Singapore, offers a similar solution with their Slumber Shelves unit, which combines a TV stand with a double bed. The shelves remain stationary even when the unit transforms, so you don't have to worry about fragile items being disturbed. These products allow people who live in small apartments to maximize their space by combining a bedroom and a living room into one versatile piece of furniture. Breaking the Box is an exhibition of sculptures that were created by Chilean designer and artist Sebastian Errázuriz. These sculptures, which were shown in New York from January to March of this year, are designed to be functional pieces of furniture that can be used for storing small items. One of the sculptures, called the Giant's Cabinet, is a piece of furniture that can be folded up when not in use, taking up very little space. Despite its compact size, the cabinet has space for 10 drawers, making it a convenient and efficient way to store items in a narrow room where there is no room for traditional drawers. Overall, the Breaking Box exhibition features sculptures that are designed to be functional and innovative, breaking the traditional mold of what furniture can be. The components of the cabinet are attached one to the other. It opens when the person performs a rotational movement.